Racism, discrimination,
intolerance,
exclusion.
These things don't have a place in Southlake.
The time is now to challenge perceptions.
to talk to each other,
to build a culture that's inclusive,
to create meaningful change.
I'm Southlake Mayor Laura Hill. I recently had the privilege of hearing the ideas of some fabulous Southlake students about how to create meaningful change. The ideas will take work, but we can do it with everyone's help. That's why the city is creating a team of people who will champion diversity, champion inclusion, and champion the changes that are needed to make Southlake the best it can be for everyone. The Mayor's Alliance for Unity and Culture will be the city's team to complement Carroll ISD's District Diversity Council. The Alliance's job? To help us as a city have the tough conversations and create moments that will help us all move toward a better understanding of who we are and what we stand for. In the coming weeks and months, look for other opportunities to get involved, including the second annual Celebrate Southlake, Southlake Reads, an event with our incredible library, a Get to Know Your Neighborhood challenge, and a Southlake community dinner. Creating meaningful change is not a short-term effort, and it starts with you and me. I can't wait to see what happens next.
I believe in Southlake.
I believe in Southlake.
I believe in Southlake.
I believe in Southlake.
We believe in Southlake.